Hello everyone, this is V, Buzzing with V. Welcome to another video. So we're gonna go ahead and make a clutch with this die. This is a feature for Scrapdivadesigns. This is her information, her Instagram, her YouTube, and her hashtag. I would recommend you follow the hashtag to gain more inspiration from talented crafters who are using her dies. You may find something that you like and would want to make. Well, let's go ahead and get into this. This is a album craft tote, and that's what it was initially made for, to make an album. However, other design team members have been making craft caddies, so they make a box out of the craft caddy, and I believe it's team designer Kristianne Adventures. I will have her linked below so you can check her out in case you want to create a craft caddy box. My case, I'm making a clutch. So sometimes I know that us crafters want swapping projects. Sometimes we don't need a large box. And so something smaller would be useful, like a little clutch. You can add just minimal things to it and still get the same effect of a caddy. And so that's what I'm going for. So it's so easy to make this little clutch, and let's go ahead and get started. So these are all the pieces. The only piece that is not included in the craft tote package is this piece here. This piece here will make handle, and let me show you what it does. So this is the part right here. This opening right here is what makes your handle. And if you don't get this part right here, this is what it will look like. So it'll just be one solid piece. Okay, so again, this was initially an album, and so Scrapdivadesigns, Erica, she went ahead and created this for us. So it was initially going to be an album, and these are the pieces that you would use on the side to create your album right there. So these little pieces here are the notches on the side to give it a tote look. If I inspire you today, please use my discount code. It's V10, that's VEE10, and that'll save you. These are all the pieces cut out. I am using this piece here for the lining of the clutch. So what you will need to cut out is you'll need 2 of these, and these are 2 13/16 of an inch by 4. So you'll need 2 of these, and then you score them at 1/2 inch and fold them like a mountain valley fold. Then you'll need something like this, and you will score 1/2 inch on each side. And the measurements are 1 3/8 of an inch by 4 13/16 of an inch. And then again, score 1/2 inch on each side. And so you'll have this, and B is the inside of the bottom. So it'll go like this. It'll go like this, and we'll put all of this together, and then these right here will be mountain valley folds, and they will go on the sides to form your clutch. Okay, let's go ahead and put this together. Okay, I moved my pieces out of the way. Let's go ahead and put this clutch together. So this is what I'm doing. This is my back piece. I have the bottom of the tote clutch, and so now I'm just gonna glue this on here. So let me go ahead and do that. You guys know I love hot glue, so I will be using hot glue for this. And let's get this going. Okay, so here's my hot glue, and so you can use liquid glue, you can use hot glue, whatever you prefer. I like hot glue because of the sturdiness. So that is it there. So here is where we glue in the inside of the tote clutch. And so there's a piece that looks like this, and that's what I use for the inside. So now I'm going to go ahead and glue that on, and then we're going to glue this on. So let's go ahead and glue this. You could add stitching here, you could add shading with some inks, however you like. Okay, so that's what that looks like. So that is the back, you guys. It is looking good. So I'm just gonna keep it like that, and let's go ahead and get the front. So here's the front, and I'm just gonna glue it the same thing as I did before, making sure that I have them together properly. So I will probably do this like that. I just need them to go on right. So yeah, I will do that. Let's go ahead and do that. So this is gonna be a little tricky, just so I could get this right. I don't wanna mess up here. It'd be awful if I messed up. So let's go ahead and get this right. Okay. This is where I realized I was gluing the green piece on the opposite side. So okay, I used my heat tool gun to take off the glue, so now I'm going to reattach this here. And this is the reason why I use hot glue, so I can, if I mess up like that, I can just use my heat tool gun to correct my mistakes. Okay. So there it is, you guys, all set in there. Let's go ahead and put the lining in. Here's the lining. Okay, so here we go. We got the inside going. Love it so far. Now let's go ahead and add these. Now these are going to be, I think, fairly easy as soon as you get the bottom one set. I am going to do it on a diagonal, so it'll look like, you want to get it like right at the edge. You can see here, right at the edge there. I got hot glue on my nails. So yeah, right at the edge there, and then you want to do a diagonal about right there. So super easy. Let's go ahead and do that. That easy. And then we could squeeze it down and flip this over, glue it. So now let's go ahead and do this one as well. So I'm going to turn this to the side so I can see better. So it'll be upside down like so, and then I'm just going to glue it right there, right where you don't want the pieces to be shown on the bottom or the top. So let's go ahead and do that. Turning out great. Now it's time to add it to the other side. Okay, so what I'm going to do is glue it down like so. So let's go ahead and add glue, and then we're going to attach it to the front end. So now we're going to do the inside the same way, just figure out where it's at. So this one will be a little tricky to do for me, especially with hot glue, but I'm going to get it done, guys. I did it. Okay. So here is the tote clutch so far. We're going to add magnets to the inside. you can also add Velcro to the inside here. It's flimsy right now because I don't have any of my layering pieces on, but you guys, it's coming together. Such a cute little clutch already. So let's go ahead and add the rest. I am so ready to put this together and show you what it really looks like. So we did finish this here, so I'm gonna add all of the layerings for the front and for the back. I'm gonna do that in fast mode because you pretty much know how to do this already from Erica. I believe Erica has a tutorial on this, and if not, I will link someone who does, because I'm sure someone already done it already. So we made a craft tote clutch. So it's a clutch, that's what we made today. So let me go ahead and put all of these pieces together. This is what the front cover looks like so far. I did add a pocket here, so there's a pocket. You could add something small there, some die cuts possibly. So now I'm going to adhere it to the front here. So we are just about done. All we need to do is add the magnets and decorate. So let me go ahead and adhere this. Okay, so I adhered it. I forgot to press record, so I apologize for that, but it's the same way I glued the back. So there is that there. I love how it looks. I love the colors I used. I went with the Dulce collection by Frank Garcia. I'm gonna add some magnets here now and also decorate this. So I will do that off camera. The decorating is something that you would create yourself, so I'm gonna go ahead and do that. So here is the reveal of the clutch. It's right here, you guys. Very cute. I love how it turned out. I use Scrap Diva's bow. I also use Scrapdivadesigns tassel, and added some of wire wrapping. Also added some charms here. Here's a heart charm and a cupcake, and then I added some of these beads. And inside of the clutch tote is a bag topper. So I added the magnets as well, and inside is a bag topper. I love how the bag topper turned out as well. The bag topper file I've used before in previous swaps. It's a silhouette file, and I will have that linked below as well. So that's what it looks like, and using the Dulce collection as well. So I love how it turned out. I love the little I love how the bag topper peeks out. It also has a pocket here where you could insert some die cuts or a little sequence mix, and you could have it peeking out. And so there it is. This is my design team project for Scrapdivadesigns. Again, the links will be all linked below. If I inspired you, use my discount code V10 and check out the hashtag to get more inspiration from other talented crafters. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.